Does decluttering sound like a good idea to you? Or maybe even getting a security camera in your home? If those two things sound interesting to you, stay tuned. You're going to love today's video. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is a collaboration that a group of us do once a month here on YouTube. This video is in collaboration with my good friend Joy from Organized with Joy, as well as my good friend Jessica from Jessica My Rose. Please check out both of their channels. I promise you will not be disappointed. Each month we decide upon a different lifestyle goal or something that we want to change that month. Last month I focused on doing morning pages. This month I am focused on decluttering my home, and I am doing it in small steps, and I'm going to talk to you guys about that as I clean my primary bedroom. However, at first, I want to introduce you to the Yeskamo camera, and I want to also thank Yeskamo for sending me this camera and letting me try it out. I'm absolutely in love with it, and I know you're going to love it too. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like. I am so excited to have the opportunity to collaborate with Yeskamo. I am going to do an unboxing now of the security camera that they so kindly sent me. I was so impressed with how fast I received my solar-powered security camera, and it actually came with every single thing that I needed to put our security camera outside, and I am so honored to work with them. So this is what the box looks like. I even loved the box. Then you open up the box. Look at how well packaged this is. I mean, it's totally awesome. And it comes with a little booklet that tells you how to work everything, and it comes with the solar panel, and see how nice it's wrapped up. It has the solar panel, then it has the wires that connect to the solar panel that will connect to the camera, and then it has any other wires that you will, or it has any mounting materials that you will need. It also contains screws to screw it on, so you don't have to buy anything to use the security camera. It all comes in the box for you, and this is what the security camera looks like. I love that it has day vision, and I love that you can also see it at night, and I do have some pictures to insert of what it looks like during the day and what it looks like at night. At night, you can also set it so that there is an alarm and a light comes on, and it will notify you anytime that anybody is around your home. Just love how this security camera works, how it captures everything. It's capturing me watering the ferns outside. You can simply hook it to your phone, your iPad, your computer, and you can watch whenever you want. It can notify you whenever anyone's nearby, and it's just absolutely the best solar power camera that I have ever experienced. Now I would like to invite you to join me in my primary bedroom as I do a little cleaning and explain to you how I'm decluttering in small steps. Every time I walk into my primary bedroom, I have feelings of peace, feelings of serenity. I always feel happy. And one day I was thinking to myself, why do I always feel such a sense of peace in this room? And I realized it is because it is one of the only rooms in my home that only has things in it that I use, things that I love, things that bring me happiness. And this made me decide to start decluttering everything in my home, because this room was pretty much decluttered, and I decorated it with colors that I liked. I put things that I liked in it and things that were useful. So I've started slowly, step by step, because as some of you guys know, I am a heart warrior. And some days are easier for me than other days. So I've started every day decluttering at least one thing in my home. It might be a drawer in the kitchen. It might be a box of pictures. It might be something, a bigger project. It might be something small. But I've set the goal that every single day I am going to declutter something, and I'm going to throw things away that are of no value and no one else would find any joy in them, and I'm going to donate other things. I've just decided that there's no reason to have stuff around that does not bring me happiness. And sometimes we keep stuff out of a feeling of obligation or out of that maybe one day I will use it. But I just love the feeling that I get when I go into this primary bedroom. Just this sense of just well-being and like I'm almost in my safe haven. And it's because there's not clutter everywhere. There's not stuff everywhere. There are just things that I like, and there is room, and I just absolutely love it in there. And I decided that I want the rest of my home to reflect this space. Maybe not the same designs or the same colors, but I want to have out only things that I love and things that bring joy and things that we use in our house, and just not have a lot of clutter around. And sometimes I'm really good about getting a storage box and loading it up with the clutter, but that's not really doing me any good. So I'm trying to get it all out of the house and just have a nice, clean, easy to clean, tidy home, because this is me cleaning my bedroom. It's just an every week maintenance, but it's not hard for me to do because I do not have a lot of clutter around. So that is what I am focusing on this month. I started focusing on it last month, and I will continue to focus on it, but I am focusing on getting rid of the things that I am not using and the things that do not bring me happiness. And I am filling my home with things that spark joy, as the KonMari method would say, but I am filling my house with things that make me happy and things that have good memories attached to them, if they have memories attached, and things that are useful that I use every day, and just not a lot of clutter. So that is my challenge. That is what I'm doing. I would love to know if you guys are decluttering. If you are decluttering, what room are you starting in, or how are you decluttering? Are you kind of doing it like me and you're just, okay, I'm going to do this drawer today, or just kind of doing what you feel like doing? Let me know how you are choosing to declutter, and let me know when you get a room decluttered, how it makes you feel. Does it make you want to continue to declutter and to simplify your life? So thank you guys so much for listening to my August journey that I'm doing. And I started it back when I started my closet, which was in about June. So I am continuing with that every day. So thanks for listening, and I'm going to put on some music and enjoy the rest of the cleaning.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego.
In my description box below, I will have a link to Yeskamo's solar paneled security camera if you would like to try one for yourself. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.